Breast cancer, I chose this topic because of the every year in US 2.8 million people, women are suffering from this breast cancer. It helps doctors because of their better decisions. They will be making the better decisions and they will be running curing the patients with the better treatment and prevention. In this project, how many years, how many days, how many survival rate of the patient. So here I will be checking the patient mortality rate and everything. The real data very long, and my faculty mentor, she guided me everything, and she gave her feedback, valuable feedback, and it helped me very lot. SUNY Oswego stood out to me because of this research environment basically, and also it helps me in like the course curriculum. The course curriculum here in SUNY Oswego is of having both machine learning and health data. It's a different course curriculum that provides by SUNY Oswego. So in the master's program, and also SUNY Oswego helps me in gives me hands-on experience. 3-minute thesis was fine. Actually, it's good. It was very critical to match all the things in a 3 minutes. We need to explain whole thing and we need to impress all the judges and everyone needs to understand in 3 minutes. It's very difficult, but I tried my level best. Some advice I would give to the undergrad and grad students are like start small, stay curious about everything you are doing in your life. And also here in SUNY Oswego, so many faculty members and mentors, and the research environment is so good. Really, they help me in a professional way, and the personal life also.